Could this really be possible? Do you know what lies beyond the sun and the 8 planets we see every day at the darkest and coldest edges of space? That region is vast and much stranger than we can imagine. Today, let's take a brief journey together to the outermost boundaries of our solar system. The Kuiper Belt, the heliopause, and the Oort Cloud. Pluto's neighbors, the Kuiper Belt. As soon as you pass the 8 major planets, the first region you encounter is the Kuiper Belt. You could almost describe this as the solar system's attic. It is filled with millions of icy objects, dust, and space debris left over from the formation of the solar system. Pluto, once considered our 9th planet, resides within this belt. Because this region is so far from the sun, it is incredibly cold and dim. However, this is the very place from which many of our comets originate, frequently traveling toward the inner solar system, the sun's protective edge, the heliosphere. The particles and magnetic fields emitted by the sun create a protective bubble in space, known as the heliosphere, but even this bubble has an end. In 2012, the Voyager 1 spacecraft became the first to cross the heliopause, the boundary line where the sun's influence officially ends. After passing this point, we officially entered interstellar space. Here, the solar winds stop, and cosmic radiation from the outer universe begins to strengthen. The outer frontier, the Oort Cloud. But the solar system doesn't end there. Scientists calculate that much further away lies the Oort Cloud. This is a giant spherical shell of icy debris that surrounds the entire solar system like a ball. This region is so far that it sits roughly 50,000 to 100,000 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. In terms of light years, it would take about 2 years for light to travel that distance. At this point, the sun's gravitational pull becomes extremely weak. Why do we keep exploring? Although these edges of the solar system are dark and lonely, they are the evidence of our origins. The secrets of how our solar system began are frozen within these ancient icy bodies. Our exploration will never stop. We believe that one day humanity will reach the distant stars beyond. The answer to what lies at the very edge of our solar system is endless wonders. To keep learning more about the mysteries of space, don't forget to subscribe to our History Story channel. Thank you for watching.